Hey food lovers! Get ready to elevate your pasta game with a dish that's both luxurious and surprisingly simple. Today, we're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of seafood carbonara. Forget everything you thought you knew about weeknight dinners. We're talking fresh spaghetti, succulent shrimp and scallops, rich egg yolks, and plenty of pecorino romano. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. Gather your ingredients because deliciousness awaits. First, get your spaghetti boiling in salted water until al dente. While that cooks, quickly sauté your seafood until just tender and perfectly pink. Remember, we want juicy, not rubbery. In a separate bowl, whisk together those beautiful egg yolks with grated cheese and a generous grind of black pepper. This is the magic sauce that will transform your pasta. Drain your pasta, reserving some of that starchy cooking water. Immediately add the hot pasta to your sautéed seafood. Now, here's the crucial part. Pour in your egg and cheese mixture, tossing vigorously. The residual heat will cook the eggs into a silky, luscious sauce. Add a splash of pasta water if needed to achieve that perfect creamy consistency. There you have it, a restaurant-quality seafood carbonara ready in minutes. It's rich, it's flavorful, and it's absolutely irresistible. Give this recipe a try and let your taste buds thank you. Happy cooking!